if you have problem with the UFC 030 to accidentally activate the code 2 is showing this depend what is register password. So if you don't know this, I have a record to follow this in the list, and you can check this how I deactivate the code again. It takes time 5 days to understand how to deactivate the code too. And thank you very much.